Hi guys, it's Monica. Welcome to my channel, Spanish Halo. And this is the series, it's not a series, it's actually a haul video. Let me see, maybe I'll put it right here. Sorry. Trying to figure out the best place to put these. As you can see what we're watching, not washing. Anyways, this is a hold on, let me call Maggie. Sorry about that. I had to grab the wax and my magnifier and the receipt. This is from Homestead Wax Melts. They are from New York. I got the mystery bag. I don't remember how much I paid, but it was a pretty good. So let's see what they included. Unfortunately, it was delivered to our community mailbox, and it is like 98 degrees. Not right now, but earlier, like at 12 o'clock noon. So these melted a little bit. I have to stick them in the fridge, so they're a little bit stuck together, but it's fine. We're just gonna break them apart anyways. This one is apple mango type. Like I said, it melted a little bit, but it'll yeah, this smells perfumey. Apple mango, so that's pretty good. She gave me a lot. Indian sandalwood, they're like hearts. Okay. Yeah, this one is a, oh my god, husband's so loud, oh my god, he bugs. So he likes to sing to the dogs. Oh my god, he's annoying. This one is fruits, melons, berries, and they're all like little individual pieces, but some of them I broke off because I was able to. But yeah, that one smells good. This one has I believe it's this one right here. It's licorice, because that's the first thing I smell, licorice, and the rest are melons and berries. But yeah, I can smell that licorice one right away. Black licorice, not red licorice. So that one will be pretty good. These are the smaller samples. Strawberry soda pop. And I found these people on, that one smells good, Facebook. So follow them. Homestead Wax Melts. Sweet Frosted Woods. A little Christmas tree. And this one is eucalyptus, I believe. Yeah, oh, that's so good. I love eucalyptus. I love eucalyptus and pine and fir and anything like that. Anything Christmas pine, yeah. Fruit medley shortcake. Another one with a bunch of little shapes that come and break apart. And let's see, they're small pieces shaped like fruit. So that one's a berry one. So that one's gonna be a nice bunch of melting. Dandelion wishes. This was the one I could smell in the box. My husband even said, "My God, that's strong." In the box. Yeah, this is a floral. This is the one I can smell. So that's gonna be nice. I do like floral. Strawberry shake. Another heart. I love strawberry when it's not waxy. And the last one is firecracker ice pop, a blue one, blue heart. Like I said, these melted a little bit. Now it smells like a blueberry, and I had to throw them in the fridge for about, some of it's good. Hold on, I done scared my doggy. For a little bit, about 2 hours. So, where's the box? The box is over there. So yeah, this is from. Be careful. She just tried to get up and fell. These dang dogs. Homestead Wax Melt. She is on Facebook. I forgot the owner's name. I think she, yeah, she told me thank you Oh, Denise. I think her name was Denise. Yeah, because her and somebody else, and so it was from how did I pay them? Cash App or Venmo? One of those, because I don't think they have a website. But I like buying wax from new vendors. To me, he just loves to sing to these dogs, and the dogs he's singing to are in the room here with me. So yeah, he likes to sing to all his dogs. He's singing to his favorite dog, but yeah, I'm gonna have to I'm charging my other phone. So that's one haul. I'm still waiting on another haul from Alaska. That's gonna be part of my wax buying challenge and my other series in Wax We Trust, and then wax from Knowles Farms. I went on the pre-order, so that one's gonna take about a couple months. I'm still waiting for the round robin that Amy from Happily Scented Life is hosting. I think I'm around 4 people away, so maybe in the next month or so. Today is Thursday, and other than the SFR sneak peeks, I already uploaded one on the 10 new releases from the fall, winter, and the harvest. When I get the information on Holiday and the other LTOs, I'll probably record a video on that. And again, this is Monica. I am in New Mexico. My Scentsy website is SpanishHalo.Scentsy.us. So go on there. August 1st, everything is going to be nice. And we haven't heard about the Bring Back My Bar yet. I think we're going to hear by the end of the week for the next 3 rounds. God, he's loud. Oh my God. I hope he's not so loud in your ears. He is just booming in my ears, and he tells me I sound like Smurfette. Well, yeah, he sounds like a down volcano. Anyways, let me go because he's getting on my damn nerves.